What is going on, guys? We are going to head to the pond right now. This is going to be our first YouTube channel. We're currently going to meet Austin. This is one of our favorite spots for catching catfish. There are massive catfish here. Me and my girlfriend Summer over here, say hi.
Hi.
Are going to see what we can do. It's $20 to fish here, but it's well worth it. Our other buddy Austin, he is currently setting up trail cameras for hunting season because hunting season's obviously coming up soon.
And I'm a big.
We love to hunt also, but that's what he's currently doing right now. So as soon as he's done with that, he's going to meet us at the pond and we're going to see what kind of fish we can catch. We'll see you there. What's up, guys? We just got to the pond. As you can see, she can show you it. It's a pretty decent sized pond. I didn't get it on film, but there was just a huge carp here, probably about 20 pounds. There's a bunch of carp in here, huge catfish, nice trout, bass, and that's pretty much it. We heard of eels being caught in here, but haven't really caught any of those or seen any lately. They just stocked a 60-pound catfish in here. There's a bunch of 40-pounders, 30-pounders, 20-pounders. So what we're gonna do today is hook a big hook on here, big chunk of chicken liver, throw it out and see what happens. So this should be pretty fun. As you can see, guys, these catfish here do not screw around. I had a huge chunk of chicken liver on there, bit it right off, gone. So I'm gonna hook another chunk on and see what happens. Let's see what it is. It feels small, so.
Does it?
Yeah.
How many pounds or ounces do you think?
I don't know.
Oh, it's small, yeah.
It's not too small, but it's kind of small for us because we're used to catching like decent sized fish here.
Oh, it's going lilies. Oh,
That's actually nice.
alright, yeah.
You know, guys, it's probably about a 3-pound fish, you know, maybe 2.5, somewhere around there.
About, yeah. It's a fat belly.
This is a nice one, guys. It's probably about 3 pounds, 4 pounds. Let's go. She is hooked up. What are your thoughts? You think it's big, small? Let's take a guess.
We'll see. Holy shit.
Her drag's pretty tight too, guys. She is reeling and reeling like a champ.
I swear if it's a sunny. Oh my god.
Her drag's tight. See how big it is. I'm guessing about the same size as mine.
That doesn't... Oh yeah. Wow, that's a strong fish though.
Strong little one.
Yeah. Aw.
Congrats.
Don't put it in my face. Oh here, what's these things are hot. Those are hot. Look how fat it is.
It's a nice one.
The fatty catty.
There he goes. Number 2. Hooked up again, guys. This is our second fish.
And my drag is so tight.
Is it tight?
Oh yeah. It's actually so hard to make.
Those guys are hooked up over there.
Oh wow. It's decent size. It's not.
Yeah, it is. It's in the lilies. Wow.
These are strong.
He's actually really nice. Really nice.
Do you want to go get the net?
Yeah, hold on. Gotta get the net, guys. Gotta run, run, run. Nice catch.
Wow, how much do you think it weighs?
It's bigger than mine. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
Look at this sucker. I'm afraid to like.
Don't pick it up with the line, it might.
Oh wow.
Look at this fish,
Look at
guys.
that. Wow. That is so big. I'm so good at fishing.
I think that's one of her. I think that's her second biggest one, actually.
Yeah.
Got to release it in the water. You want a picture with it on my phone?
No, it's fine. Because it already went.
Nice fish. Awesome.
I am so good. So, Shane just got this. I didn't get it on video because...
My GoPro's acting stupid.
Yeah, it's acting weird, but
This is number
he
3
did catch
for me.
this in. It's number 3. Yeah.
This is what it is, guys.
Look how long. Wow.
That's long.
Yeah, it is. I think it's closer to my fit. Oh, wow.
Not sure how big he is. I can't really tell.
Camp, what do you think? Oh no.
He's small, guys.
Oh, it's okay. Look at that.
He's small, unfortunately. All right, guys, back again. She has number 3. Let's see how big it is.
Small. It's strong.
Just a little guy. Little guy.
Oh, it's just swallowing it.
Oh. What do you think, Austin?
Austin?
Nice. Bigger than mine.
Did you catch any yet?
Nope.
Why not?
All it caused is cold.
Well, guys, we were just joking around about how Austin didn't catch one yet, and look at this. Hooked up to his first one.
Yay!
How big do you think it is?
Not as big as Summers.
Yeah, she caught a monster. Not a monster, but it was nice. We're guessing it was probably about 6 pounds, 6.5 pounds. Nice. Landed fish number 1 for Austin.
Compare it.
I think yours is a lot smaller. Look at the
Aw.
difference. Nice catch.
But mine. He caught number 4. Big or small? Seems small. Let's see. This thing looks like, aw. Look at it. Just got his second or third. Not too bad.
Am I on?
Yeah.
All right, guys. It is about 6 o'clock, a little past 6 o'clock, probably closer to 7 o'clock at night. We're just heading out of here. We caught a good amount of catfish today, as you guys seen. There's very few that we didn't get on film today just because my camera's acting goofy. Got to fix that issue. Austin left, went home to get something to eat. Me and Summer are going to pick up my car, and that's pretty much it. So it was a good day, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.